Hi guys! So today I'm going to be teaching you how to fold an origami whale, and which will eventually look something like this. So the only thing that you need is a piece of square paper. This paper is 21 centimeters by 21 centimeters, and the paper doesn't have to be a specific kind of paper. This is just printer paper, so you can use whatever you have on hand. Alright, so the first step is to fold your cross crease. So you want to fold this edge to this side, making sure that you've got your edges aligned and that you fold everything down tightly. Cool. And you open that back up again. And now do the other side. So from this edge to that edge. Cool. So move your paper into a diamond shape, and now we're going to fold this edge to your middle crease. So folding this edge to line up with the middle crease on your page. Open that back up again, and then the other side. So this edge to the middle crease. Alright, so turn your page then upside down and do the same thing. So mirror these folds, folding this edge along the middle crease. And then the other side. Cool. Now comes a bit of a tricky fold. So what you want to do is these folds that you've made along the crease, you'll see here there's sort of a star of folds together. What you want to do is that you want to take this triangular fold and fold it up until that point. So like so, not the full way, just halfway to that point. And then the other side to the same point to make a sort of teepee looking thing, like so. And then you'll want to fold that backwards toward you. And then repeat on the other side. So the triangular fold to the middle, and then the other side to meet to create a teepee, like so. And then fold that toward you. Doesn't matter that your fold is a little bit off. Okay, so you'll have something that looks like that. Then I want you guys to turn it sideways and fold it on its belly so it looks a little bit like a kite, and then fold that in half. Like so. Okay. Now what you want to do is you want to point the triangular bit toward you. So flip it that way. And then take your triangular folds, which will be your flippers for the whale, and then point that toward you as well. So up until the point where it folds in the middle, that bit there, just fold it down. and then flip it over and do the same on the other side, folding it down like so. Then I want you guys to open it back up again and fold this point about 1 centimeter inward, like so, and then on the other side. And then fold that back together. So you have something resembling that. Okay, so now you want to fold your whale's nose, or the technical term being rostrum. So the side that is pointing away from the flippers, so this side will be your nose. So open up your paper, and if you want a short nose or a long nose, that depends on how far you pull this back. So I sort of like a medium nose, so I'm just gonna fold it like that. And then once you've done that, then you can fold it back again. And there you go. And now for the tail. So at the end, as big as you want your tail, you fold this end piece at a 90-degree angle. So straight up into the air, like a warthog's tail. Okay, and then flip it over, straighten it out, and do the same on the other side, so folding it up. Like so. Now comes a bit of a tricky bit. Fold it flat again, and then put your whale on its tummy and open up the back bit of your whale. So because of your folds, you'll notice at the end there is a diamond crease here at the edge. So what I want you to do is just push that in along your creases like so, and it will create a tail that looks like that. So that is what it will look like in the thing, in the inside, and then just push that in to create your tail. And there you have it, your very own whale. And you can scale this however you want. This one, for instance, is only an 8 centimeter square. Very adorable, very small. And you can do them big, you can do them even smaller than that. You can decorate them however you like. Maybe something a little bit more kiddie for the kids. Googly eyes make a great addition, and your kids will probably color this in a lot better than I did. Or if you want something a little bit more scientific for the grown-ups, you can do something a little bit more like this. So this is a humpback whale, and because it's a humpback whale, it's got a bit of a longer rostrum, a longer nose area. But if you want a shorter nose piece, just fold that in and you can have yourself a southern right whale. Thanks for joining. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you fold your own whales, please tag us. We would love to see. Yeah, enjoy your day. Cheers.